Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices so AirPlay can find each other. First, make sure your Roku is running OS 9. 4 or later, and that both the Roku and your iPhone or iPad are on the same Wi-Fi network. Next, open Settings on the Roku, choose Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, and turn AirPlay on. This enables the receiver service. Once done, confirm the Roku display name. Change it if you have more than one Roku, so you know which device to select from your iPhone. Now you'll actually connect. On your iPhone or iPad, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, or in a video app tap the AirPlay icon. Choose the Roku name you configured. Your Roku will display a 4-digit code to confirm the connection. Enter that on the iPhone so only you can cast. Make sure to use the in-app AirPlay button for video playback when available, because that sends optimized audio and video streams rather than mirroring the whole screen, reducing lag and preserving battery. Finish strong by controlling and optimizing the session. To stop, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring, or use the AirPlay icon in the app and disconnect. If you notice lag, black frames, or audio out of sync, make sure both devices have solid Wi-Fi. Try toggling Wi-Fi or restarting the app to re-establish a clean session. If the Roku doesn't appear at all, reboot the Roku and your iOS device and recheck settings Apple AirPlay. That usually resolves discovery failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.